Moving at light speed, I'm in love with the outdoors. When the sunshine or the rain pours, this place is mine and yours together. Putting on a mask and flippers, taking a dive in the waters, conducting research, heading for the future, learning how to farm like nature. Seeing this galaxy of life, thriving worlds beneath the ice, tiny creatures filling our wildlife reserve. I love the smell of the air when the weather is fair. I'm like a dog and my nose is to the sky. This place is cozy, somber and sweet. It's somewhere I belong. This place is cozy, somber and sweet. It's somewhere I belong. Dreaming of exploring the seas, diving to see the healthiest reefs, amassing the imagery, marine botany, planting more trees, back in touch with our humanity, developing new technologies, capturing the sun's energy, eating the food in the dirt, precision farming, soil sensors, training new scholars, cooperating with nature. I love the smell of the air when the weather's fair. I'm like a dog and my nose is to the sky. This place is cozy, somber and sweet. It's somewhere I belong. Corals, the ocean's nursery, spending nights on the reefs, final frontier, the deepest sea, discovering